Miami, Florida, is a city that needs no introduction. Renowned for its sun-drenched beaches, vibrant nightlife, diverse culture, and stunning Art Deco architecture, Miami has become a top-notch tourist destination for travelers from around the world. Nestled on the southeastern coast of the Sunshine State, Miami offers an enticing blend of tropical beauty, pulsating energy, and a melting pot of cultures that make it an unforgettable vacation spot. In this article, we will delve into the captivating attractions and experiences that await visitors in this lively city. One of Miami's greatest draws is its pristine beaches. From the iconic South Beach to the more tranquil stretches of sand in Key Biscayne, there is a beach to suit every taste. Miles of powdery white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters beckon visitors to bask in the sun, swim, or partake in various water sports. South Beach, with its colorful lifeguard towers and energetic atmosphere, is a hotspot for both locals and tourists, offering a vibrant beach scene, trendy shops, and world-class dining options. Beyond the beaches, Miami is a cultural hub that embraces its diverse heritage. The city's art scene is thriving, with the renowned Art Basel Miami Beach drawing art enthusiasts from across the globe. The Wynwood Walls, a vibrant outdoor street art gallery, showcases captivating murals by international artists, while the Perez Art Museum Miami and the Institute of Contemporary Art Miami exhibit an array of contemporary artworks. History buffs can explore the historic neighborhood of Little Havana, where they can savor authentic Cuban cuisine, sip on strong espresso, and witness spirited salsa dancing. Miami's culinary scene is a melting pot of flavors that reflects the city's multicultural population. From fresh seafood to Latin American delights and innovative fusion cuisine, the city offers an endless array of culinary options. Visitors can indulge in delicious dishes at world-class restaurants helmed by celebrity chefs or venture into the vibrant neighborhoods to discover hidden culinary gems. The diverse culinary landscape ensures that every palate is satisfied. For those seeking retail therapy, Miami provides a wealth of shopping opportunities. Lincoln Road Mall, a pedestrian-only promenade in South Beach, is a paradise for shopaholics, boasting a mix of high-end boutiques, art galleries, and trendy shops. Bal Harbour Shops, located in the upscale neighborhood of Bal Harbour, offers a luxury shopping experience with renowned fashion brands and designer labels. Additionally, the bustling Bayside Marketplace and the vibrant streets of Little Havana are perfect for those seeking unique souvenirs and local crafts. Miami's nightlife is legendary, catering to those who love to dance the night away. The city boasts a thriving club scene, with world-famous venues hosting top DJs and celebrities. South Beach's Ocean Drive and Collins Avenue are lined with glamorous nightclubs and trendy bars, where visitors can experience the electrifying energy and party till the early hours. Beyond the glitz and glamour, Miami offers a plethora of outdoor activities for nature enthusiasts. Everglades National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a short drive from the city and is home to unique ecosystems, wildlife, and breathtaking landscapes. Visitors can embark on airboat tours to explore the vast wetlands, spot alligators, and immerse themselves in the wonders of this natural treasure. Biscayne National Park, located just off Miami's coast, invites visitors to snorkel or dive among vibrant coral reefs and explore underwater shipwrecks. In conclusion, Miami, Florida, is a captivating destination that blends stunning natural beauty, vibrant culture, and exciting experiences. From its world-famous beaches and diverse culinary scene to its thriving art scene and pulsating nightlife, Miami offers something for every traveler. Whether you seek relaxation on. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tour with Poor. Take care.